Hi, uh, this is video number 272, Sustainable Development Goals, and lecture number 11 in a series of lectures on natural resource and environmental economics. So we will discuss Sustainable Development Goals. Let me first trace the history of Sustainable Development Goals. How did it evolve? And then I'll discuss the sustainable development goals one by one. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015, provides a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet now and into the future. At the center of this agenda are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which are an urgent call for action by all countries, including both developed and developing, in a global partnership. They recognize that eradicating poverty and other deprivations must go hand in hand with strategies that improve health and education, reduce income inequality, and spur economic growth, all while tackling climate change and working to preserve our oceans and forests. The Sustainable Development Goals build on decades work by countries and the United Nations, including UN Department of Economic and Social Affairs. In June 1992, at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, more than 178 countries adopted Agenda 21, a comprehensive plan of action to build a global partnership for sustainable development to improve human lives and protect the environment. Member states unanimously adopted the Millennium Declaration at the Millennium Summit in September 2000 at UN headquarters in New York, and the summit led to the elaboration of 8 Millennium Development Goals to reduce extreme poverty by 2015. The Johannesburg Declaration on Sustainable Development and the Plan of Implementation, adopted at the World Summit on Sustainable Development in South Africa in 2002, reaffirmed the global community's commitments to poverty eradication and the environment, and built on Agenda 21 and the Millennium Declaration by including more emphasis on multilateral partnerships. At the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development in Brazil in June 2012, member states adopted the outcome document, The Future We Want, in which they decided to launch a process to develop a set of sustainable development goals to build upon the Millennium Development Goals and to establish the UN High-Level Political Forum on Sustainable Development. In 2013, the General Assembly of the United Nations set up a 30-member open working group to develop a proposal on the Sustainable Development Goals. In January 2015, the General Assembly began the negotiation process on the post-2015 development agenda. The process culminated in the subsequent adoption of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development with 17 SDGs at its core at UN Sustainable Development Summit in September 2015. 2015 was a landmark year for multilateralism and international policy shaping, with the adoption of several major agreements, and these include Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction in March 2015, Addis Ababa Action Agenda on Financing for Development, July 2015, Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development with its 17 SDGs was adopted at the UN Sustainable Summit in New York in September 2015, And then there was a Paris Agreement on climate change that took place in December 2015. Now, the annual high-level political forum on sustainable development serves as the central UN platform for the follow-up and review of the sustainable development goals. Today, the Division for Sustainable Development Goals (DSDG) in the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs provides substantive support and capacity building for the SDGs and their related thematic issues including water, energy, climate, oceans, urbanization, transport, science and technology, the Global Sustainable Development Report, partnerships and small island developing states. The Division for Sustainable Development Goals plays a key role in the evaluation of UN system-wide implementation of the 2030 Agenda and on advocacy and outreach activities relating to the SDGs. In order to make the 2030 Agenda a reality, broad ownership of the SDGs must translate into strong commitment by all stakeholders to implement the global goals. The Division for Sustainable Development Goals aim is to help facilitate this engagement. My dear students, these are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The first Sustainable Development Goal is no poverty. The second one is absence of hunger, that is zero hunger. The third Sustainable Development Goal is good health and well-being. Fourth one is quality education. Fifth, gender equality. And then number 6 Sustainable Development Goal is clean water and sanitation. 7, affordable and clean energy. 8, decent work and economic growth. Number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Number 10, reduce inequalities. 11, sustainable cities among communities. Number 12, responsible consumption and production. 13, climate action. 14, life below water, that is marine life. 15, life on the land. 16, peace, justice and strong institutions. And the last Sustainable Development Goal is that of partnerships for the achievement of these goals. So there were 8 Millennium Development Goals, and these Millennium Development Goals could not be achieved due to one or another reasons. So the United Nations and other partners developed Sustainable Development Goals, and the target for achieving these goals is 2030. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a brief video lecture about the history and various sustainable development goals. I hope you found this video lecture informative and useful for yourself. I would like you people to share this video with your students, colleagues and friends, and please like, comment on the video and share this with others. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit this red button to subscribe it, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get early notification about other videos that will be uploaded for beginner level students and colleagues. I thank you very much for watching this video.